So now that I have given you guys a little bit of hair porn, I would like to say, hi, it's me, Tanisha. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, girl. Hey. If you are new here, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you are not new here, you already know what to do. Now, let's get into this video. This video right here is on this girly right here. This is Luvme Hair's All-Day Comfort 200 Density Brown Highlight Loose Body Wave Wig. This is a minimalistic wig, which means that we don't have to do too much work, not too much lace. We have just enough and everything is done for us. Minimalist, which means that we just take it out, put it on, and go. Now, if you are not clear what a all-day comfort wig is, an all-day comfort wig just basically tells us that we have a nice section for our ears to be comfortable. We have adjustments in the back that we can make to our wigs to make it to a large, medium, and small cap. And it is extremely stretchy so that it does fit, even if your head is just a little bit bigger. It doesn't matter which hook you want it on, but all you have to do is do it like I always say, like a bra strap, hook baby girl in, and she is ready to go. I'm not going to put mine on small. Let me switch her up a little bit because I need mine medium. I need mine just comfortable enough to where it's not too tight, not too loose, because I use my adjustable strap to hold me in. Tight, safe, and secure. The knots to this wig is extremely small and the lace is really, really thin. You do not have to do any bleaching, any plucking, any cutting. None of that unless you necessarily want to, but you don't have to because everything is done for you, which is why it is called a minimalistic wig. Now the part that we all been waiting for, how does she look on my head? How will she look on you? But first things first, we have to take care of a little bit of things. So this right here, I don't know if you can see it well, but this little tab right here, I usually cut that off of my lace because sometimes that part tends to show. So that is what I will do, that part right in here. I'm going to cut that off before I actually put my wig on because I don't want to feel, I don't feel like dealing with that right now. Not today. Not today. Not today. This is so simple to do. You just find that little piece. Make sure you are not getting too close to your lace and snip it off. Just like that. Clean it up a little bit so that you don't get any frivels. Again, find the piece. Go in. Cut it off. Don't pull your lace. If it's not coming off, don't pull it off. Just go back in and cut some more. And that's all you have to do. It's not a necessity. That's just something that I do for me because I don't like when it sticks up when I try to do my hair. So I go ahead and get that over with. But flip your wig inside out. As I always say, make sure that wig is touching the back of your head. Make sure your straps are secure. Pull her down. Place your comb, if you decided to leave her, up under your band. Make sure your ears are comfortable. Make sure your curls are falling. And that is not a shed. That is from me cutting that little piece of lace off. So adjust around your ears. As you can see, my ears are not folded. My ears are not pushed down. None of that is happening. Make sure no hair is up under my lace. But you can see a small line of demarcation, which that is an easy fix. Okay, so this is what she is giving straight out of the box onto our head. No cuts, no none of that. Straight on. No combing out the curls yet. This wig is bouncy and cute. The highlights are highlighting very well. Oop, my ring got stuck. But yeah, the highlights are highlighting. The bounce is in there. The volume, everything. So now what I want to do is I want to comb these out. And there is a little bit of shedding. That's a given. I'm going to comb these straight down. I typically comb them backwards, but I want to comb them straight down because I'm trying to see something. Because you do know the way you comb your curls makes them fall a different way. So if I was to comb them backwards, they would fall in a whole totally different way than combing them straight down. So first I'm going to start out by combing them straight down. And sometimes with the curls, they get a little tangly. It's okay. Just make sure you use a wide tooth comb. Nothing too crazy, too crazy. If you don't have a wide tooth comb, a regular tooth comb will work as well. If you have a dimming brush, you can use that as well, because I am going to go into my dimming brush after I get through with all the combing. One thing I do like about 200 Knit City wigs is sometimes straight out of the box, we don't really realize that we have a lot of hair on a wig until after we have shampooed it and we started to style it ourselves. Today, I did not feel like going through a whole, I don't know what's wrong with my tongue today, but here we go again. Today, I did not feel like going through a whole shampoo section, waiting and drying and all of that. I wanted to see how the girl looked straight out of the box. And I must say, I'm not mad at it at all. At all. She does have a lot of body. Yes. She has a light, it's kind of, I think it's the way that they curled it. She does have a lighter top and kind of a heavier bottom. So she does have a lot of body to her. Even with it being pre-curled for us, the body is really, really impeccable. Even when you brush her out. And I did brush these curls out and then just reformed them with my fingers or with my brush, which is something that I really, really like. I'm trying to find my brush, but here we go. I'm trying to find my brush, but I couldn't find it. But even with these being, even with this being pre-curled, they curled it so good that even if you comb the curls out like this, you can still curl it back with your brush. And I like that. Even with your fingers, just go back through and recurl it up. Take it by sections to recurl it. All that good stuff. But all in all, I will say, I like this wig. I really, really do. I like this wig. I like how the top is not as thick, but it's still full. And we have a fuller body. I don't know why I keep saying it like that. The top is not as full, but we do have a fuller bottom for more body to it to move and shake and do whatever we need it to do. So I do like that with the bounce to it. You go walking, you got a little bounce. You go dancing, you got a little bounce and a little bit of swing. The lace, we already know how the lace gets down with these wigs. The coloring to this wig, it is not too much. It's just simple highlights. It's enough to see and enough to hide just in case you want to curl it in a different way, or not hide, but basically show up, do kind of like peekaboo highlights if you want to curl it in a different way. So I do like that about this wig. I also want to say something about the parting section. Now this wig right here does have the section in it to where it's not all the way across. It's just this much parting space. Take it off so you guys can see. This much parting space so that you don't have to do a lot of work. You just take it off and put it on your mannequin head. When you get ready to style it, you don't have to worry about if it's parted right, if it's parted the wrong way, how am I going to do this, how I'm going to do that. So if you are a girl who likes to customize your wigs, I would say you do have enough to customize your hairline right here. But as far as trying to change the style to it, no. This wig is specifically made to be easy work. You don't have to do any work. It's just simply made to put on and basically go. As you saw, this wig is glueless, but still tight enough to stay on if you want to get a little busy and fun. You don't have to worry about the wig flying off if you adjust the adjustments properly. But all in all, this wig is basically a 9 out of 10 for me. 9 out of 10 because I want a wig where I can play with it a little bit more. But a 10 out of 10 for a wig that I don't have to do a whole lot to. And as you can see in this video, straight out the box on my head, and we have a look. So if you like this wig, all the information to this wig will be in my description box. The description box is at the bottom. All you got to do is under that title, click more. It will drop down, give you all the information that you need. When it comes to the links, the length, the coupon code, which is there somewhere, everything that you need. Do not forget the coupon code. Use the coupon code. The coupon code, my coupon code, gives you money off. More money than you actually get on the website. So make sure you use my coupon code. Okay? We're trying to save a coin. Save some money here. Look at that. Yes, but save some money here. Say I'm trying to save you a coin. Use my coupon code to save you a lot of money. And for my girls who are seeing this video and you've used my coupon code, tell them in the comments how it works, how we get down over here. That coupon code is Chef's Kiss. That's it. That is all that I have for this video. Make sure you go get this wig, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.